Assalamualaikum. Hai kawan-kawan, saya Nightmare Flanka. Hari ni kita akan permainan video iaitu Nameless Cat. Permainan video ini ialah permainan video berdasarkan cerita. Jadi mungkin mengambil dalam berapa jam nak habis. Kalau ikutkan 5 jam. Yang paling profesional lah. Kalau yang tak profesional 15 jam. Sangat lama. Tanpa membuang masa, mari kita mulakan.
The next day.
Hey kucing. Hey there. Can you see me? Oh nice. You didn't fall into the nasty box bite. Dia jangan terkena betul sikit. I will have to clean my body again. This is bad. Could you not speak? This is the first time this has happened. Well, think on the bright side. At least you won't find yourself in an argument. Now let's move to some here also. Maksudnya dia ada masa dia dia ingat kita nak mati. Dia kata masa baik awak tak jatuh tu. Okey. Betul? Nampak? Okey. Kalau saya latih ni pasal lompat. Ambil? Oh boleh ambil? Betul? Allah, senang dia. Tak betul. Good news. According to the menu here. Okay. The fit for this situation is to use telepathy. Let's try it out. I can now hear the voice in your head. Huh? You thinking how to get out of here? Oh, maksudnya macam mana dia tahu kita nak keluar daripada sini. Who am I? Siapa awak? And how to shut me up? Oh, I forget to introduce myself. Maksudnya dia lupa nak kenalkan diri dia dulu. Okay. Hello, I am the caretaker of this world. Don't worry. To leave the world is easy. You can return home once you collect all the little white out in this world. Yang tadi kita yang tu lah. Up. Oh, patutlah dia kata up. Okey kucing, up. Nak bagi apa nama kucing ni? Kita panggil dia Husain lah. Meow 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 meow. Husain. Ya, Husain. Cepat Husain. Ni mesti dah level 3. You asking what was the white of your torch? Itu. It is the form of the cancer in your tak faham lah. Hati punya hati. You can touch to connect to white. Ya betul. And then it will teleport you to the next area. Dia akan bila kita kumpulkan benda tu, ya kita akan pergi ke tempat kawasan lain. Usually it will take you to some here near the next white hole. And other actually can see you, which is why I don't know if it was a snowball or the cancer. Unless you an idiot, then can't tell the difference. Hahaha. Just joking. Catch it. Apa tu? I just share some of my power to you. Lah, kongsi kuasa rupanya. It can help you get through dangerous area. Oh, boleh bantu kita. Whenever you see an around ada nak mana? Then when you can use the special button. Panjang. Butang istimewa. Oh my. Okay. I going home now to feed my pet. Bye. No. Oh. What? Oh ni. Butang istimewa. Sini dah masuk. Oh. Macam banau Sabar Hussein. Hussein. Okey. Betul? Oh tak ada. Lah, boleh je ni. Ni masuk atas tu. Dia permainan ni senang dia. Dia tinggal apa tu? Ni. Oh, atas ni. Faham. Atas tu dia tempat nak pergi ke tempat lain. Dia kira macam kisah seekor kucing yang tersesat. Maksud dia tak tahu nak balik, nak cari tempat, cari jalan keluar di sini. Kan tengok macam dunia lain kan. Nah, nak bunuh kucing ke? Nah. Betul. I'll check home by watching. Oh, okay. Tak. Hey Kitty. Ada potong at your tiny lip. Already? It's impossible to jump over this. Allah. Pandai rendah. You not to try it. Too many individuals. Tiny lip had lost their life to this. Allah, pernah cuba? Aduh, but I looking this. I stand here everything on you. Of course, I did this thing out of my own will. So, no need. Why am I so good? Oh, maksudnya janganlah lompat Ni kot, ni maksud dia. Nah, boleh je. Itulah bersifat buruk Jangan jadi macam saya bersifat buruk. Sekejap. Alah, lupa nak tu apa? Ini macam mana apa? Oh, it's a cute little kitten. My name is Nora. But a bit small tongue. It's difficult to travel in this vehicle. After this church has blocked out most of the snow. But if you're not careful, you can still get lost in here. Cek pada cek ni apa tu? Bobby Crab and Monster. Ada rasa. But cancer hunting in what any this. Are you also seeking for the cancer? Wow, cool. So we both adventure. Let me know if you need anything. Okay. Baik-baik. Terima kasih. Nama dia apa Nora. Oh. Nabi. Dia ni. Sekejap. Dia kata boleh tengok dia sekejap.
1 hour later.
Ya, sampai 15 je. Malah kita nak cerita panjang. Ada gaji. Mesti ada benda ni kat atas tu. Dah agak. Tolak. Tak boleh masuk tu. Ya, nak kalau masuk kena cincang ada lah. Katanya jalan tak boleh masuk. Itu. Ini namanya kematian ni. Sangat susah. Oh, alhamdulillah. Jangan harap. Jumpa lagi. Hi. Yeah, I didn't think we would meet again so soon. Baru level baru apa dia kak. Kak kata, tadi you know. Then Kayan was suddenly after the all. Okay. You could simple jump over it. But the platform ahead looked dangerous in it. I will stay advise you not to cross. Of course, when such a nice animal like me. I do this can act for my hurt. When I saw good damn good. Aduh, bahasa Inggeris hancur. Maksudnya benda ni akan hancur. Dah. Depan dah apa? Apa kan? Kena ni dulu. Baru boleh masuk ke depan tu. Tu kata. Dah. Ingat sampai sini. Okey. Cuma 4. Tu ni mesti ada. Okey. Kau bawa bahaya ni. Oh, ada lain pula. Oh ni. Oh, you here just in time? I need to get a good sleep right now. Yeah, I need to say goodnight to you. We might see each other again soon after all. At least same place next time. No, boleh sini. Pintu ni mesti dah buka Pintu apa? Entahlah. Dah dulu lah. Jumpa lagi akak Watch out of the red monster. They will pace back and forth and attack whoever pass by. Rumor has it then long time ago. They were once normal animal like us. But they lost their hope to keep and living. In the end, they slowly turned into this. Apa tu? Tak faham. So also said then they with the on who found the castle. Aduh, ayat kecil lah. No matter what the truth is, bacik bergagak aduh. It won't stop me from going forward. Hati-hati dengan rasa seni kau. Macam mana tu? Macam mana? Agak apa benda pula tu kali ni. Alah mati lah. Ada ni ada benda tembak dia tembak. Oh, hey, we meet again. Yeah? Actually, my name is Jellyhead. Tak apalah. Lebih kurang je. Tak payah panggil Jellyhead, panggil ni. Apa ni nama dia? Nama botak. Botak. By the way, you most are quiet shut. I can believe you just jump over those steps. Tapi tak bagus pula panggil dia botak. Panggil dia nama ni. Dia Samang. Samang ni macam entah, tak tahu lah. But I would watch out for the red guy. Macam anak. It is since you it will change toward you. Of course, I purposely stay behind to tell you this. By the way, I work already moved on. Who am I? So good. Saya habis. Dia tengok dia buat apa? Laju. Tak boleh lagi tu. Oh, kena lompat. Ya. Ya. Mana ni pakai ni? Ni. Alah, mati. Tak boleh. penguin. If you see, let me know. Penguin ni tak apa. Nah, mati. Ni.
Bro, main game lah.
Alah.
Tak main game lah. Apa semua tak nak main game dengan aku Kak.
Aduh. Tak boleh. Boleh. Oh ni. Apa ni? Oh bayar. Lagu apa lagu ni? Kau tambah 10 Tak apalah. Kita tambah 10 je lah. Ada 15 lagi ni. Ada 5 lagi. Tak apa. Nanti kita sambung. Baik dah. Kawan-kawan. Jumpa lagi. Jumpa lagi esok. Mari. Ya.